Are you experiencing QL spasms and trigger points that are causing you pain and reducing your mobility? My name is Dr. Grant Elliott, and I'm going to show you how to reduce this pain, improve your mobility without stretching or massaging your QL, and some exercises that you can do right now to reduce your pain and improve your mobility. We have helped thousands of people around the world through our online low back program fully recover from low back pain, disc herniation, and sciatica, who also struggle with QL spasms, and we're going to show you how you can get your life back today. Real quick, if you have not joined my private Facebook group yet, you need to do so. It is called RehabFix Low Back Program, and immediately upon joining, you will receive our free step-by-step sciatica guide. This is the same process that we have taken thousands of our clients through around the world to identify exactly how to fix their sciatica and ultimately become pain-free through our one-on-one coaching program. In this group, you will be able to see our clients and what they're doing for success and additional resources and more free guides. So if you're serious about fixing your back, you need to join this group, RehabFix Low Back Program. See you soon. QL spasms, trigger points, they don't feel good. Every time you go to your massage therapist, they're telling you, oh, you're so tight and I can feel all these knots. Well, first, we need to understand why these knots are here in the first place, and then I'm going to give you some exercises to reduce it. A phrase I want you to remember is that trigger points are made in the brain. Trigger points are often created as a safety mechanism for us. If our body recognizes that our lower back is not in a safe or stable position, it is compromised, or you have pain in there, it will create trigger points to enhance the stiffness of your spine and reduce mobility as a way to protect you. If it knows that a disc is bulging and is causing pain, that a nerve is being encroached on, and it knows that too much movement will make this worse potentially, then it's going to try to protect you and lock things down. So it creates trigger points to reduce the mobility of your body to protect you. And guess what? If your method of treatment is, okay, well, let me just try to remove these trigger points by shoving my thumb in there or putting an acupuncture needle in there or whatever, you are chasing symptoms. And in fact, you could actually make that person worse because then they don't have that same guarding mechanism protecting them. However, if you address the root issue, that trigger point will go away naturally because you're addressing the root cause, so your body no longer has to protect itself. Now, what are some things you can do right now to reduce these spasms and reduce your pain? When we see QL trigger points, we want to start with our core and with our breathing. Many people with these QL spasms typically have very fast or dysfunctional breathing patterns. What we want to do to calm down the musculature of the lower back is to practice belly breathing and slow and deep diaphragmatic breathing. By focusing on expanding your belly and keeping your breath in your belly, this will also calm down the muscles of your lower back. When individuals are breathing into their chest and breathing very rapidly, we tend to be in a more tense state. However, deep diaphragmatic breathing has shown to reduce the sensitivity of our nervous system, to calm our nervous system down, and therefore reduce this tension in the lower back. To do this, I recommend laying on your back and propping your legs up on a chair or a couch so they're at a 90-degree angle, and placing your hands on your stomach as a cue and expanding your belly in 360 degrees to learn how to expand while you inhale and then have the belly collapse while you exhale. Practicing this abdominal breathing and belly breathing can be an initial period where you can see significantly reduced pain and tension just from this. So let's get your core and breathing down first. Second, when we start to get our breathing down, we start to feel things calm down just because we're breathing right, now we can start to incorporate core bracing work with this better breathing in our dead bug exercise. With our dead bug exercise, pushing the lower back into the floor, alternating one arm and one leg at a time, you're going to feel a great core activation, as well as continuing to promote these belly breathing and abdominal bracing strategies that we often find helps improve the function of the lower back in the spine, improving its stability, and therefore the brain recognizing that it is not as compromised as it was before, and therefore reducing the tension in these surrounding tissues because it does not need the safety mechanisms as much.
Quick interruption. If you're listening to this podcast and you're resonating with the things that I'm saying and you're finally ready to be pain-free and you don't have a plan and you're not sure how to get there and you're just looking for that guidance, then visit the link in the description or the show notes below. You can schedule a free initial call with my team and we will actually go over your current regimen, go over what you should be doing, what you should not be doing, and how a better plan might potentially show you how to get to that pain-free state that you've been looking for so that you can get this over with and back to living your life. So if you're ready to finally figure this out, then visit the link below, schedule a call with us. Looking forward to helping you. Back to the show.
Now that we have good breathing and good core strength, now we can work on spine stability and loading the QL itself. A very simple way we can load the QL is two ways. One way is through a simple side plank. A lot of people, they think putting tension on a muscle or strengthening a muscle is going to make it tighter. And that's not true at all. Many times a tight muscle is a weak muscle, and loading that tissue can actually calm it down because once again, you're reducing the safety mechanisms. You're reducing the need for your body to guard. So side plank loads the QL, can help reduce tension. Also, suitcase carries. Holding a weight in one arm and walking a particular distance or even standing still will isometrically load the opposite QL. So if you hold a weight in your right arm and you stand up straight, your left QL will be working, and vice versa. By loading your QL, by strengthening your QL, this will also help that tissue adapt and get stronger and not have to guard and protect as much. By working on the function of your body, the function of the core, and the function of your muscles, you can remove the need for your body to protect you by addressing your movement, strength, and stability. And then you can start to see long-term results come out of your rehab and exercise-based approach. Many times our clients will see significant improvement with these three simple exercises. However, if they notice that this provides more relief than they've ever had anywhere else, but it still tends to come back, then usually these individuals are struggling with a disc bulge that is the root of these spasms. Then we take these individuals through our disc exercises, which are based on their assessment. We take every one of our clients through a one-on-one assessment to identify the key issues that they need to work on and the specific exercises that they need to be prescribed to reduce their pain quickly and address the root problem. So, if you still have pain after working on these exercises, but you've seen improvement, then let's get a better look, let's get a better approach that is more specific towards your situation so we can get you a needed plan and a specific plan that is catered to you, your issue, and your current lifestyle so that you can see fast results and ultimately get pain-free. Because you deserve to be pain-free and your family and friends deserve to have you in their lives pain-free as well. So let's focus on ensuring that the rest of your life is 100% quality of living. So don't waste any time. Let's attack this now together. Once again, be sure to join my Facebook group, RehabFix Low Back Program, so you can get additional exclusive content and our free sciatica guide immediately upon joining. And you can look at the additional upcoming content that we are created just for individuals in that page. It is a great way for you to join a community of serious, intentional individuals, and you can get to see some of our clients winning as well, so you can get a real idea of what is possible for you. If you are watching this on YouTube, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are listening on your favorite podcast platform, please leave a 5-star rating and review so we can grow this podcast and help reach more individuals who deserve to get results, who feel like they're spinning their tires and getting frustrated in doing so. As always, move more, move in nature, move in the sun. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.